Now PCN yang ngejan mit ngen pai biang segi benta jong ko kubor. Kinongelam jong sorkar senrop lang Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasing baar kila penlong ya kejingelang Kynmaw Burom yo lampang barem ke yang dorbar tawan ke Jylla u Dr. Donkupar ha ka Lyngkhuh Sngiap ke Nyngkong jong u. Hagani kesingi kinongelam jong sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance sapok kejingelam jong Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulampang yang dorbar tawan ke Jylla ba amet ba lengdo haga ba kila penlong ya kejingi kendo ke yengsa jong Dr. Donkupar haga nong ba shilong bad le Burom yu nongelam dak basngap jar shipor. Menteri Rangba ulampang ki Menteri Sorkar bad ki MLA ni kiseng baper kila hiar sosiala bad kila litbo senti hulum jingtep jong nong yalam ubarat ba jong ke Jylla haga baledon lang ki baheng bahasem bad ki wikiwe. Kajing le Burom ki dekat ke Sorkar MDA ka dehlor kanong rem badileng ba kajing mat pang u Dr. Donkupar balatau ke Sorkar MDA ha ke Jylla pada uderu urang ba ubalabat ki kerdan baper kumu Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulampang bad kiwe pada ulano senyang habrok ki liang ya ke Jylla barok ka we kajing syakri kumu nong mi khamat ban chupen Kynmaw u Dr. Donkupar ulaklano hakarta ke bandar Sausnem ha Medanta Hospital ke badan Delhi hadin bulayo kajing pangshini nega diabetes kabala kata ajur ka kot ka khia ajung u bad latep dan Burom u hakalai pui trek unaitung hasyala kabade ka constituency kaba ulami khamat la nyosian kenthi
in Jatap where the body of late Dr. Donkupar was laid to rest, and it's been 1 year now, and we are all here to remember Dr. Don on the first death anniversary, and we all came together with other legislatures and other ministers and their party leaders from the UDP, and we've come here to remember Dr. Don and to pay our respects to him. And as I said, it's been 1 year now, and it's still a very emotional moment even for me. So we all remember him and we all miss him, and it's another reminder for us to continue working in the principles and guidelines that he had laid down for us. So at this point in time, we once again pay our respects to him, and we remember Dr. Don and we miss him.